DJN TV.
Kasala don burst for Bola Tinubu as EFCC dey on top of the matter. Better person wey know every wey know wetin dey sup, how your side, how you dey. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you specially based on the time when I say this video take reach you and when you take see am. You know how the matter dey be. This na DJN TV daily news update, your one-stop channel for all your ogbonge gist for inside Nigeria and all around the world. We dey bring you better to read them. We bring story come for you this morning. You know, say na we dey update you now on the informate the way they happen. EFCC don dey on top of Bola Tinubu case. If you don't know Bola Tinubu, see and I dey middle there. The Jagaban of Africa. You know that matter now. EFCC don on top of the matter. EFCC say, in fact, they don't begin the seizing of landed properties. Bakam. Bola Ahmed Tinubu now be one-time former governor of Lagos State and now be the All Progressive Congress leader. In fact, na him hold All Progressive Congress. So for EFCC to dey on top of the matter, get as e be. Anyway, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission don begin the probe former Lagos State Governor Ahmed Bola Tinubu and the All Progressive Congress leader when he also be. They don start to seal some of his properties them for inside Lagos State. EFCC bin compose a letter to the Code of Conduct Bureau. They request for copies of Tinubu Assets Declaration Form. And in fact, some copies of that letter enter social media, not be small. The reason for the investigation we never too know, but the investigation wey concern Tinubu, it don't start since last year after they remove the former EFCC chairman Ibrahim Magu. You understand? And the letter wey they date November 6, 2020, CRO/3000/EFCC/LLs volume /4/322. It was the Lagos State Zonal Head for EFCC, now endorser Abdulrasheed Bawal, will be currently the chairman of EFCC. Now he approved that letter, say, oh yeah, we need to see the asset declaration form where Ahmed Bola Tinubu declare. Another thing be say anti-graft office they don't make some further, take some step further, and they don begin to seal some of the landed properties them where they connected to Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu. For inside the letter, they write say, in the view of the above, you are kindly requested to furnish the commission with the outstanding requested information of Bola Ahmed Adekunle Tinubu. This request is made pursuant to Section 38, 1 and 2 of the EFCC Act 2004. So part of the letter I read, the number of the letter I read give you just now. Now, one former managing director of Alpha Beta Consulting, Dapo Apara, don write petition to EFCC when they accuse the firm of tax evasion, and that firm now it dey run by Tinubu by proxy, you understand? And Tinubu get up, but not be him dey there directly. So the right now say Tinubu dey dodge tax, you know they pay tax. That be part of the reason why they say, okay, make we see the guy asset declaration form so that we will know wetin dey sup and we will know wetin we go fit do. Now many people don't come out and say, why they go they say they want probe Tinubu? I feel say na he and Oga Bubu they be friend. Oga Bubu no dey do corruption, you know, that kind of a thing. Oga Tinubu supposed to dey above the law now. So what they try to that guy na president party, but Oga Anthony Sani, will be the former secretary of Arewa Consultative Forum, doctor say no one dey above the law. He say all the head of state for the world, even those with the strong power and authority, they fit still persecute them and put them for prison if the law find them guilty. He tell say Nigerians make we not dey surprise o say EFCC dey investigate Bola Tinubu. He say dem fit investigate anyone if reason dey to to understand why and how the person take acquire wealth and property. Una know say EFCC na dem get to do with economic and financial crimes. You understand that kind of a matter. So if dem look at say your money e get as e be, dey get power to investigate, say bros come, how you take get this money? Will I know based on one or two, show us where how you take, show us legal sources where you take dey get your money. E even come even talk say even Oga Bubu sef kpakpa as im dey there so, say dem fit persecute am by law if e dey found guilty. Some no even dey surprised say EFCC dey investigate Bola Tinubu show. Which of dem dey surprised based on say dem don dey see some of im property. E say the investigation don start since last year, not that we just even dey know now, we dey say wetin happen. You know that kind of matter. Now the new chairman of EFCC, Abdulrasheed Bawah, na im be before, na im be Lagos zonal head. Na im write that letter the matter to investigate Bola Tinubu. Now im don be head of the commission. E dey remind those code of conduct bureau say I bin write letter give una before say we wan see Oga Bola Tinubu asset declaration form. We never see am. He say abeg make una send the form come, because na since last year na we write this letter give una. Make no forget say Oga Bawah na im be a former Lagos zonal head for EFCC before dem come make am the head of EFCC all over Nigeria. So im dey talk say I write letter give una since last year, abeg make una do the needful. Code of conduct bureau, make una do the needful, make una send this thing come give us. Nobody dey above the law, whether you be party head or president of the country. We go investigate anybody wey we feel like say the person get some kind, e do some kind akamuka, that kind of thing. E wey no straight, e wey wan be like crayfish wey dey bend. So na so the thing come be. Now many people come dey say una sure say not because say this guy dey wan come out as president of Nigeria for 2023, the guy dey wan contest. Sure say not be APC way of knacking the guy comot for the race. Some people come say EFCC dey investigate am for financial crime. Abeg make we no vote for am. Many people don dey speculate now say this investigation by the Economic and Financial Crime Commission over allegation of multiple asset acquisition by the former governor, e say na just way to take push Bola Tinubu comot kpatakpatali from the race. Maybe the guy dey too ambitious, you understand. E dey wan venture into national power. Dey disregard the power wey be. In fact, some people don say dem dey try to kill e political career based on say the guy dem dey say greed, ambition and desperation na im just dey push am. Na im make am comot from all the former parties dem when e get, kill all those parties dem. E come now, dem come form APC. All of them dey wan do their own. Say dem just dey believe say this EFCC matter na just a way to take push the guy comot for the race. Because all of us know say for Nigeria, once you don get something like scandal, or you don get something like stain for your name, if you wan even contest your election sef, even if you dey qualified, e go take special anointing for you to fit win that kind of election. Well, some Nigerians don react say Oga Tinubu, this thing wey dey do you so na to also teach you lesson, say make you appreciate the fact say one bird for your hand e dey important pass two wey fly inside bush. E say make Oga Bola Tinubu also realize say the fact say im be regional tiger even dey better off because im get more state under im influence now. But if e try to wan run faster than im shadow, before you know, things go get as e go be. People come dey ask, this one no be to cage am so im no go fit come outside for 2023. Now dem say if this one no be to cage Jagaban make e no for come out for 2023 election, why EFCC all of a sudden just pick interest, begin dey investigate, and dem even dey seal some of im properties? Wetin dey use that one take mean? Well, you sef chook mouth for the matter. This one wey EFCC dey do so, you sure say e no get political undertone, abi how you see am? Well, this na still DJM TV daily news update where we dey give you better story. No forget to like, to share this video, and also to subscribe. When you subscribe, abeg turn on the notification bell. And in case you get anything wey you want make we advertise for you, no forget to bring am contact us. We go run your advert for you. We get very wide reach for both our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and also for Twitter. We go advertise your product for you, and we ensure say your product dey reach the correct market people dem wey you want make the thing dey reach. Well, until we come your way again with another ogbonge story, my name still remain Lauru Favour, and this na DJM TV News.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.